Welcome back to TMG. Today we're diving into the vibrant world of Perilla Tricolor, a stunning herb that's as ornamental as it is useful. Did you know that Perilla Tricolor is sometimes referred to as painted nettle? But it's not actually related to stinging nettles. Its leaves boast a mix of deep purple, green, and pink hues, making it a favorite for ornamental gardens and herbal enthusiasts alike. Perilla Tricolor is a member of the mint family, prized for its vibrant tri-colored foliage. The leaves are heart-shaped with serrated edges and display a mesmerizing blend of deep purple, bright green, and hot pink. This kaleidoscope of colors gives gardens and indoor spaces a lively pop. The plant typically grows about 12 to 24 inches tall with a bushy, compact habit. Its square stems, a hallmark of mint family plants, support clusters of these colorful leaves, making it an eye-catching addition to any plant collection. Native to East Asia, Perilla Tricolor thrives in regions with warm summers and mild winters. It's commonly found in China, Japan, and Korea, where it grows in sunny fields and along roadsides. In cultivation, this plant prefers well-drained, fertile soil with slightly acidic to neutral pH. While it thrives in full sun, it can also tolerate partial shade, making it versatile for various gardening setups. In cooler climates, Perilla Tricolor often grows as an annual or brought indoors as a houseplant during the colder months. In the wild, Perilla Tricolor acts as a natural ground cover and thrives in disturbed soils. Its fast-growing habit makes it an excellent choice for filling bare spots in a garden or as a companion plant to taller species. Its flowers, though small and not as showy as the leaves, attract bees and other pollinators, supporting local ecosystems. The leaves of Perilla Tricolor are fragrant, with a subtle minty aroma that adds a sensory dimension to its beauty. Perilla Tricolor is relatively easy to grow, making it perfect for gardeners of all skill levels. Keep the soil consistently moist but not waterlogged. A deep watering once or twice a week usually suffices, depending on the climate. Provide full sun to partial shade for the best leaf coloration. Too much shade may dull its vibrant hues. Use a balanced fertilizer every 4 to 6 weeks during the growing season to encourage lush growth. Regularly pinch off the tips of the stems to promote bushiness and prevent legginess. In the garden setting, Perilla Tricolor pairs well with other plants like coleus, calenium, or colorful foliage plants that thrive in similar conditions. It also works beautifully as a border plant in mixed flower beds or even in containers. Perilla leaves are not just decorative, they're also edible. While Perilla, the green leaf cousin, which is more commonly used in East Asian cooking, Perilla Tricolor's leaves are similarly versatile. They can be added to salads, used in wraps for meats, or steeped in teas. The flavor is slightly spicy with hints of mint or anise. Medicinally, Perilla is known for its antioxidant properties and is sometimes used in traditional remedies for allergies, colds, and digestive issues. However, always consult a professional before using any plant medicinally. While Perilla Tricolor is non-toxic to humans, it can pose risk to livestock if ingested in large quantities. If you live in a rural area with free-ranging animals, take precautions to ensure they don't munch on your plants too much. Additionally, this plant can self-seed aggressively in certain climates, so keep an eye out for that too if you're not looking to grow like an entire patch. That wraps up our deep dive into the vibrant Perilla Tricolor. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your favorite uses for this plant in the comments below. Until next time, happy gardening.